Hello and welcome to another technology video brought to you by the SLUI technology team. I'm sure you're familiar with Document and with the spreadsheet, but what about Google Presentation, also known as Google Slides? Google Slides is just like PowerPoint, but you do not need Office Suite to create a presentation. This will come particularly handy if your student do not have Microsoft Office to create a presentation. To start a new slide or presentation, you will open your Google Drive, you will create new presentation. Once the new presentation opens up, you will given the option to choose a theme for your presentation. We're just going to choose a simple light for the moment. I will also recommend for you to give a name to your first presentation. The first thing we're going to do in our presentation is we're going to add some text. To add text, you're going to click Insert and you're going to select Text Box. You're going to make the text box as necessary for your presentation. In this case, we're going to create a title. As you can see, the cursor is in the top left corner of your screen. If you want to make the title bigger, you will select the font size that you wish to use. I went ahead and created another text box with 3 options and with some additional text. I'm going to show you how you can add now a transition slide or a transition text to your presentation, similar to what you see in PowerPoint. You will click on Slide and you're going to click Change Transition. If it is the transition for the slide, or you can select an object to animate in your PowerPoint. Right now, we're going to add a transition to the slide. We want the transition to be the fade in, but you have other options if you choose to do so. We want for the transition to be medium, and we can click play to see a preview of the slide. If we want to add a transition to a particular object into the slide, we can highlight that object. We can click Add Animation. We're going to select again Fade In, or maybe let's change it out and let's say Fly In. And we're going to select the animation that will happen when we click on the particular slide. And once again, we're going to select the medium to our animation. When I click play to preview the animation, as you can see, we had a slide fade in for the slide and fly in for our text. I'm going to show you now how you can add a different animation to different portion of your slide. I went ahead and divided the text that we had before in 3 individual text boxes. So now I can apply different animation for each one of my options. So for option 1, we're going to add an animation that is going to be fly in, and it's going to be a little bit faster than before. For option 2, we're going to add another animation, which maybe is going to be zoom in, and it's going to be once again a little bit faster. And then for option 3, we're going to add the third animation, and in this case is going to be a spin animation, and once again it's going to be a little bit faster. Okay, now we're going to preview our slide. It's going to be a fade in for the slide itself. Click. We're going to have the first one is going to fly in. Click again. The second one is going to zoom in. And click again. The third one is going to spin around. Next, I'm going to show you how you can add a slide to your presentation. On the top left corner, you're going to see there is a little box with a plus and with a little drop down. This is because you can add a slide in 2 different ways. If you click on the plus, it will add a slide with the same template as the previous one. Or you can choose from different type of template for your next slide. We're going to use the same type of template, so we're going to click just New Slide. On the new slide, I'm going to show you how you can add images to your presentation. To insert a picture, you will click Insert, Image, and you're given several options. One, you can upload a picture from your hard drive or flash drive. Two, you can take a snapshot, which will use the camera of your computer. Three, you can use an URL of a website where an image is stored on. 4, you can select an image from your computer hard drive or from your Google Drive. And the last option, and actually probably the one I like the best, is the search feature. The search feature allows you to search Google, Live, or stock images for images that are free to use to the public. This way you don't have to worry about copyright infringement. So let's say that we need to add a picture of a house. We will search for house. We will find the picture that we want to use. Let's choose this one. And we will click the select button at the bottom left corner of the screen. Once the image appears on your screen, you will be able to resize it the way you seem fit. I went ahead and added another slide to show you how you can add a video to your presentation. To add a video, you will click Insert and Video. You'll be able then to search YouTube for the video of your choice. In our case, we're going to search for Slow Stucco video. A list of the Slow Stucco video will appear. We're going to select the newest one from the Stucco on the summer of this 2014. We're going to click Select. The video will appear in your screen. You'll be able to position the video where you seem fit. And once we present this slide, we're going to have the option to play the video. To present the slide, you're going to click Present. And as you can see, the video is ready to be played. My last example is going to show you how you can add links into your presentation. You can add a link to an external website, or you can add a link to a slide within your presentation. To add a link to an external website, you will highlight the portion of your presentation that needs to be linked. You're going to click Insert, you're going to click Insert Link, and you're going to type in the website that you want to link to. In our case, it's going to be Google. And we're going to click Apply. The particular link now will take you to the Google website. If you want to add a link to a slide within your presentation, you will highlight the text that you want to link. You're going to click Insert Link. In our case, we want to link to a slide in our presentation. We can click the Tab key to find the slide that we want. We can scroll down till we find Adding Video. We're going to click Apply. This way, we now have linked this text to the third slide in our presentation. To now preview our slide, we're going to click Present. We're going to use the first, is going to take us to a Google website. As you can see from the bottom, you will see the google.com website. We're going to click We're going to have the first text, which is going to fly in from the left. We're going to click again. We're going to see the second option. And now we can click on it, and it will take us directly to our third slide. Thank you for watching, and look for another video next week, same channel. Thank you.